Hi, thank you for joining our group presentation of our app stage. Our project was on a social media app for music lovers, where music lovers can share their favorite songs with their friends. They can also post reviews about the songs that they love, or maybe songs that they have critiques for. So yeah, let's get started with Stage, opening the app. So there you can see that our logo, we customized it. As soon as a user enters our app, the user will be able to enter a password, an email and a password. And also, if you don't have one, you can register for one. But we'll use one that's already existing. So we'll log in. Yeah, before we get into the app, we just wanted to take time to introduce each of our parts to this app. So my name is Samuel Lee. I contributed mostly to creating the Spotify API and setting up connections with the Firebase database. And I also made sure that we shared data among all the fragments here and made sure that the infrastructure that we use for the app matched the shared view model and the different view models we use to share the data. Next, Tenzin will tell you about what she did.
Yeah, I think all of us kind of worked on a little bit of everything. I focused heavily on designing major site features of the Explore fragment, which is one of the four main fragments that we have. And then I crafted the circular UI elements using Canvas and building search functionalities with autocomplete and sliders, and then also with the UI UX design and flows. And next, Bingchun.
Hi, my name is Ming Chang. For this project, I mainly focused on setting up the app's project structure. We used MVVM model structure, and we are using four fragments with corresponding view models. Actually, more than four. But the main four with corresponding view models, and we let the view models to handle all the backend operation and to allow the fragments to only focus on UI updates. And I also focused on creating a custom backstack for custom navigation operations between fragments. We wanted to maintain a simple and intuitive backstack. So yeah, next, Limping.
Hi, I'm Limping Gu, and I mainly focus on the profile page. In profile page, it shows people's most recent listened songs and posts they made according to visibility state, where people can also follow and unfollow people and become friends with each other. And they can also add their profile by clicking into the add button. Yeah, so we'll talk about we'll walk through of our page next.
Yeah, let's start by walking through our app. So if you see the home page, basically this is where we can see all the different posts that users made, as well as your friends, or even you made for yourself. So these posts, they're in a recycler view, and users are able to post posts with different visibility states. So we can check that out in the new post section. Would you be able to go to the new post? Yep. So here we can search a song which uses a Spotify API. And if we search a song such as, yeah, just the letter A or anything, we can then type in what we want to type in for the post, and then select a view, a visibility state, whether it be for yourself, private, with your friends, for your friends, or for everyone. And then once we post it, yeah, we can see it here in the home page that it was posted. But then again, we can also see this in our profile page. If we can go to our profile page, it has the recent posts that we made, what we recently listened to based off of our posts, as well as just tags related to our profile, descriptions. Also, we're able to log out if we want to, and also edit our profile and decide which profile picture we want, what tags or descriptions we want as well. Next, Tenzin, would you be able to tell them about the Explore page?
Yeah, on Explore page, we have a canvas kind of right now showing just normal circles. And even here, we have similar feature that we saw on Post where you can search for song, and we'll go to the review track after. But over here, we see this canvas where if you move the slider, you'll get a bunch of songs that everyone who's in your location around your vicinity. I think I chose 46 or something. So everyone within 46 miles, whatever songs they have liked, it goes in the back end, checks our Firebase database, and then gets all the songs based on what other people are listening to. And then each time you click on one of the circles, you get to the review page. You get the same thing if you search for a song and review a track, and within that you'll see all the songs that it's been reviewed. So I'll just go to a song that we actually have a bunch of reviews, so we don't have to create new ones, but I guess I will also create, is this the song? Okay. We have this one song where I think everyone in our team likes a lot. So we can I'll just go ahead and review here. And you should be able to see all the reviews. And over here, we have just some basic metadata about the song and all the songs that other people, all the reviews people have made and how many stars they gave. Next, do we want to go to the new post? Bingchun, would you want to?
Okay, sure. So for the new post page, what you can see is an album cover holder there. Once you search a song, please search a song, Tenzin. The data will be grabbed on the back end, and the album cover will be inflated. And the user is able to put in some post content in the content below. Could you go ahead and do that, Tenzin? Then the user can choose the visibility state to to allow which ones to have access to the post. Then the user can go ahead and post, and the user will be brought to the home page where they can see their most recent posts.
And for the profile page, it shows your most recent listened songs and the posts you have made in different visibility state. Actually, you can also see other people's profile. If you click into their post, you can go to main home page.
Yep. Over here, we can also follow or unfollow them. And like Ping said, we can see the details of everything that they've posted specifically.
Yeah. So you can see there are 4 songs they recently listened, but the second song is in private state, so we cannot see it. And the third song is the friend circle song. Since we are friends with each other, so we can see this song.
I think this covers everything. Sam, would you want to conclude?
Yeah, so that was our app. We implemented, to give an overview, we implemented the Spotify API and then connected our data with the Firebase database and use the authentication feature of the Firebase database. And as Bing-Chun mentioned, we use a shared view model and view models as well as the fragments to make navigation simpler on the app and more modern. And as Tenzin looked at the Explore page, we were able to use the Spotify calls and also create a custom circle view in order to show use the location to show the most listened songs near to the near the user. And as Lingping mentioned, we also were able to implement various features to the profile, like edit profile, and also pull from the database to use for the profile. So yeah, we were able to use all the things we learned in class, and I think we did a good job, guys.
Thank you.
Certainly.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you for listening. Bye.
Bye.